So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So again, welcome to our video podcast, and nandito pa din with Sir Yen.
Yes!
But before that, let's talk more about Pampanga, sir. So what can you say about Pampanga? Taga-Kenny ka din, you're also ka-Pampanga.
Hindi sir.
Ay,
I'm a Subic. Pero nasa interior in Pampanga. Yes sir, as we all know, Metro Manila is already decongested. That's why people and even businesses are already transferring to its neighboring balconies, one of which is Pampanga. So that's why we call Pampanga as our strongest counterpart to Metro. So as of now, sir, we have the so-called Pampanga's Megalopolis plan, which divides Pampanga into 4 major clusters. So una dyan, sir, si Aquapolis. So ito yung swampy area ng Pampanga, center of waterfront development. Next naman, we have the Ecopolis. So ito naman po yung medyo greeneries natin.
Greeneries.
Nandito naman po most of our environmental tourism.
Okay.
And of course, when people talk about Pampanga, most of us think of Bukid,
Oh,
Palayan.
yes.
That's why we also have the Acropolis,
I see.
which is the center of food production. And last but definitely not the least, ayan, syempre kasama dyan si Mabalacan, Angeles, Mexico, and of course, the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. We have the AIRCON, which is the center of logistics, technology, innovation, and education.
Oh, yun pala yun, no, sir?
At ang maganda pa dyan, sir, at the same time, we have the so-called Pampanga's Golden Triangle.
Oh.
So this Golden Triangle is not only solely in Pampanga, but this is believed to have the highest potential sa buong Central Luzon.
Wow!
And luckily, our project is inside this Golden Triangle. It's the city of San
So yun yung
Fernando,
triangle.
Pampanga.
May pa-triangle
Yes,
pala
sir.
talagang nalalaman, no, sir?
And Pampanga is no closer than you think, sir. So why do we say so? That is because of our existing road network. So coming from Manila, sir, of course, you have the Metro Manila Skyway na rin. So connected na siya sa NLEX. And dito sa Pampanga, napakaraming exits.
Yes!
One which is Mexico and of course, San Fernando, Pampanga. Tapos, sir, idagdag pa natin dyan, no? Connected na rin tayo sa Esitec, Stipilex, so going to Baguio, going to Subic. Napakabilis na rin.
Pampanga is really the gateway,
Yeah.
the passageway if you want to go to the north and if you want to go to the south, dadan ka sa Pampanga. And speaking of location, sir, kasi kanina pumunta kami dito sa mismong site. Ang lapit na lang from SM Pampanga going to here. So, nag-exit lang kami dito sa Mexico exit. And malapit lang siya. So, very accessible siya when it comes sa location.
And actually, sir, we are only 7 minutes away from the Mexico exit.
Oh.
Wow.
Ganun siya kalapit, no? I see. So, technically, yung location niya is in Calulut.
Yes po.
Calulut,
We are
San
in
Fernando,
San
Pampanga.
Fernando, Pampanga. Parang nasa boundary na tayo, sir, ng Angeles, Mexico, and San Fernando.
I see. I see, sir. And how about when we talk sa Pampanga, malawak siya.
Yes,
right?
sir, si Pampanga. It has more than 6,000
6,000
hectares of
974 hectare land, no? Ayan.
And pero sir, si Pampanga kasi despite of having big land area, napakarami rin ng population. As of 2020, sir, di ba, it's more than 350,000. What more pa is 2024. Pero kahit ganun, sir, we have 86.9% employment. Isang proof lang, sir, na napakaraming opportunities ang naghihintay sa San Fernando alone. What more kung isasama pa natin si Mabalacan and si Angeles where we can find car.
Oh, that's nice. And so, without further ado, let's talk more about Asterra itself, sir. So, ano ba yung meron kay Asterra? I believe you have the mixed
Mixed
community.
So, ayun, sir, just to give you a brief background tulad yun ng sa previous video natin. So, Asterra is like patterned sa star since we are in the Christmas capital of the Philippines. It's a new brand. Ayun, so, we are offering affordable residential condominiums. Pero here specifically in San Fernando, Pampanga, so Asterra has a total land area of 5.5 hectares, a combination of commercial, mixed use, and residential development. So yung development po natin, it's like a mini township.
Okay.
Kasi halos lahat naman na lang kailangan mo, sir, nandun.
Oh, I see. So, when it comes sa sir, sa kung ilang building sila, as of the moment, parang isa pa lang yung tower.
Yeah. As of now, sir, we are selling our first tower,
Okay.
building 1 of Asterra San Fernando. condo. That's a 7-story building.
Oh, 7
Pero
floor siya.
in total, sir, we have 5 7-story and 3 12-story. So, 8 buildings siya in the future pag natapos na siya. Tapos, hiwalay pa doon yung commercial developments. And we have spaces pa for vertical development if we have more demand in the future.
I see. And of course, syempre, you've mentioned about mini township, no? I believe there are mga amenities that you could offer sa
Yes,
mga unit owners dito, right? So what are those amenities?
Asterra San Fernando is also a resort type community. So we have our swimming pool. Aside from that, we have our 2-story clubhouse. So yung first floor nun, sir, it's a function hall that can cater from 70 to 100 person. Then yung second story naman po, it's a gym with glass window. At imagine, sir, nasa tabi siya ng pool. So while you are working out, you have the relaxing view of the pool. Diba?
Yes!
And aside from that, since we want to provide the rural charm while enjoying the city life, we have many greeneries around the area. So we have pocket gardens, jogging paths for recreation of our future investors.
Oh, that's nice. And I believe, generally speaking, no, when we talk about real estate investment, it appreciates in value over time, no?
Yes.
So